They thought it was just a normal sunny day by the lake until their camera captured someone who was never really there. And the worst part? It started following